Hello, dear friends. Let us continue our talk about Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, HACCP, which is a food safety program related to infection control chapter of quality standards. In this video, we will talk about best recognition and control. For more videos, please visit my Facebook page, Healthcare Quality, and my YouTube channel, Dr. Hassan Kamel. This is the fourth video in a series of 12 videos about HACCP. Food pests, including dogs, cats, and other pets, are a source of food poisoning organisms and a major hazard for food. Pests may contaminate food with hair, fur, droppings, eggs, and dead bodies. Flies vomit on food during feeding and may have just left a pile of refuse or animal feces before visiting food premises. Rats and cockroaches live in sewers and amongst rubbish and accumulations of rotting debris. Food premises attract pests because they provide the ideal habitat. Most premises provide food, warmth, harbourage, and moisture. Raw materials, including packaging, may bring pests into the premises, and susceptible products should be carefully checked before transferring to storage. The common pests found in food industry include 1. Rodents, rats and mice. 2. Insects, flies, wasps, moths, cockroaches, silverfish, stored product insects, and ants. 3. Birds, mainly feral pigeons, sparrows, and starlings. 4. Occasional problems from feral cats. Reasons for control. 1. To prevent the spread of disease. 2. To prevent the contamination and wastage of food. 3. To prevent damage. 4. To prevent loss of custom and profit. 5. To avoid losing staff. And 6. To comply with laws and to avoid being fined and closed. General pest control. Pests require security, shelter, and food. Denial of these environmental factors will prevent their survival and is the first line of defense against possible infestation. Environmental control may be considered as denial of access, good housekeeping, and surveys. Denial of access. Doors and windows should be kept closed or if left open, should be screened with a fine cleansable mesh. Doorways can be protected with hanging plastic strips or air curtains, and the bottom of wooden doors should be protected with metal plates. Access holes and other openings should be sealed with mortar, metal sheets, and mesh. Defects in the building, such as broken windows or holes around pipes, especially following maintenance work, should be reported to management. Good housekeeping. Number 1. Premises and refuse areas are kept in clean and tidy condition. Lids should be always kept on waste bins. After emptying, bins and surrounding area should be hosed down. Waste must not be allowed to accumulate. Number 2, food on display or waiting preparation is always kept covered. Number 3, you clean as you go and clear away spillage promptly. Number 4, food is not left outside. Number 5, food is stored off the floor and clear of walls to facilitate regular inspection. Stock is checked regularly and damaged or contaminated stock removed and destroyed. Number 6, food is stored in pest-proof containers and lids are always replaced. Number 7, all deliveries of raw material, packaging and laundry are checked to ensure their freedom from infestation. Number 8, drains are kept clean and in good condition. Tapes are well maintained and the gills have tight-fitting metal covers. Number 9, vegetation and other cover in the immediate vicinity of food premises are removed. Number 10, regular inspections are made and sighting of pests or pest damage are reported to management immediately. Surveys. Regular surveys of food premises must be carried out to ensure that they are pest-free. In particular, food storage rooms, behind equipment, dark, undisturbed, and waste storage areas should be examined. What are the signs to look for? Number 1, leaf or dead bodies, including larvae, eggs, and pupae from insects. Number 2, droppings or weeping from moths. Number 3, damage, including gnawing marks in food, wood, or plaster, holes in sacks, boxes, buckets, or in the structure, chewed pieces of cardboard or paper. Number 4, spillages adjacent to sacks of food. Number 5, scratching or gnawing sounds, for example, in roof spaces. Number 6, fur and nesting material. Number 7, unusual smells associated with mice and cockroaches in particular. Number 8, footprints and tail marks in dust or food powder. Number 9, rodent smears, black greasy marks around pipes and holes and on walls adjacent to runways. Number 10, the loss of small amounts of food. Control may be physical or chemical. Physical control methods are usually preferred, as the pest is caught either dead or alive, and consequently is not able to die in food, equipment, or in some inaccessible place. Examples of physical control include ultraviolet, electric fly killer, rodent traps, and mist nets for birds. Sticky fly papers are unsightly, but are useful in storage areas to alert you to fly insect problems. Rodenticides are used to kill rats and mice, and insecticides to kill insects. Care must always be exercised when using poisons to ensure there is no risk of contaminating food. Food and small utensils must always be removed when using insecticides, especially fly sprays, and the premises and fixed equipment must be thoroughly cleaned after use. Infestations and food premises should be dealt with immediately, and hospital administration should seek assistance from the local authority or a specialized contractor. The control of cockroaches or stored product insects is particularly difficult and require an expert pest control operator. Thank you.